I didn't see you there. What's up, guys? Just got a new helmet and a new bike. Check out this magnificent new Gixxer that I just bought. This is gonna be my new ride for the day. It's pretty sweet, isn't it? Oh, they fancy they getting a new roof. Snazzy. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is my maiden voyage with the new helmet. I wanted to do a little test run to make sure the camera was aimed properly, but you know, I just said, well, let's just make it a full ride. We're gonna make a full, long video out of this. So far, it's already noticeably quieter and better fitting than my last helmet. Nothing against the Airflight. I know a lot of people hate it. It was a good helmet, actually. For me. It was just getting quite old and didn't fit me as well anymore, and just, you know, time to get a new helmet. Ew, gross. That thing is destroyed. Torn up like your mother after a Halloween party, am I right? I debated on even taking the bike today, because it's a little humid right now, and it's already 75, but it's supposed to get to like 100 today. And I'm gonna be a little sweaty boy. I'm gonna sweat in my new helmet. But it's whatever. It's supposed to rain like every day for the rest of this week, so if I'm gonna get on the bike, today's my day. I wonder if the audio is any better for you guys, like if it's more insulated compared to my old helmet, because one of the biggest complaints about my old helmet was how windy it was in there, which I still find ironic because my audio is some of the best compared to like a lot of even big YouTubers, motovloggers, whatever. And I'm just using a cheap mic I found on Amazon inside of a helmet that really sucked for loudness. But we'll see if this is any better, chat. Oh my goodness. I know, it's a shame I didn't bring the pink bike out today, man, but I just didn't feel like pedaling in this heat. Them Georgia summers are no joke. Bumpy road. This takes you all day to turn, that's fine. You suck! Are you okay to drive? Oh, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. If we could get close to the speed limit, I'd be happy. Come on, dude. Thank you. It's about time. I was about to start pulling teeth. Now this yellow car is swerving everywhere. Don't you do it! Oh, I saw that. I saw that. I'm gonna come over there and remove your organs one by one. I'll tell you what. Don't play games with me, boy. I don't even need to be here, man. I come from old money. My daddy robbed the Federal Reserve. We're set for life. I'm just kidding, I don't even have a dad. I say just kidding as if you would have taken that comment seriously. I don't know. I make a lot of really dumb jokes and people in the comments are like, nuh-uh. Like, okay, dude. That last video I made where I was making fun of Harley Davidsons, dude, it had some triggered old men in the comments. It's a joke, guys. I don't care what you ride. If you're that insecure, just stay off the internet. You guys have seen my videos. I just make little dumb videos. I make fun of everybody and everything, man, but you'd be surprised how many death threats I get. People are big mad that I'm out here having fun. It's okay, I'd be jealous of me too. Doctors are baffled. Oh my god. Whoop. The car can have a little swerve as a treat. I hate people that like swing out, man. Like, just stay in your lane. Let me go around you. It's not that hard. Acting like y'all never turned before, dude. Tunnel can have a little rev. It's a treat. You're so welcome, my little tunnel friend. A lot of people don't know this, but that Camry LE, the LE stands for Lamborghini Edition. It's fast. It's real fast. It's faster than this BMW over here, I'll tell you what. Gold wheels, psh, that means it's slow. That's a fact. Don't look it up. Dude, this little Chevy Cruiser, whatever it is, keeps riding up on me real fast. Like I'm not stuck behind these other cars. I can't go anywhere, dude. Leave me alone. Stop trying to touch my butt. You gotta pay for that. Why does no one ever pay? Oh, a wooden shelf in the road or something. Seems dangerous. Why are you out here running in the morning, man? Making me look bad. Stop it, I'm jealous. If you're gonna be out here doing that, take your shirt off so we can all see what you're working with. Let me touch, boy. I like men now. I do ride a Gixxer. New helmet, who dis? New helmet, same old me, you know how I be. Ah! Oh, so close! Ah! I could've died, dude! Whoa! Whoa! Typical sport bag activities. I could have died, bro. Wait till my parole officer hears about this. Wait till I tell my mommy. Dude, it's over for you. I can ride with my visor cracked open now because I don't have a camera on it. How's the audio now, ladies and gentlemen? Bet it's louder. You hear that bike? Oh yeah. Hear it doing its little vroom vroom. I'm so fast. I'm such a little fast boy. Your mom couldn't catch me if she tried. Fastest dude this side of the Mississippi. On foot. With a jetpack. It's very specific. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. I love you guys. Be safe. Or don't. I don't really care. Oh, good blinker, dude. You suck. Typical Chrysler activities, am I right? Alright, boys and girls and other fairy tale creatures. I will catch you guys next time. Boop. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Oh, crap. I forgot to turn the camera off. Don't look at me.